guys, welcome back to my channel. As requested, I have my husband.
Is it requested
here.
that I join?
People love you, babe.
Oof.
So today's video is going to be quick, but I wanted to kind of do like our Costco favorites, which is like the staples we buy at Costco.
The goal of Costco is to get in and get out as soon as possible.
I mean, it wouldn't be if it wasn't so crowded, but our Costco is crowded 24/7. I would love to peruse the aisles and be one of those people.
One time we went, the cart is the issue. We were there without a cart, and we were like, why are we having such a good time? And that cart really ruins the time.
Yeah. But also, it's just two of us here, so we buy most of our produce and groceries at Trader Joe's, but we do have a few things that we save for Costco, so we thought we'd share.
Yeah.
Also, because we just went and we were out of pretty much all of our staples, so I thought we would just share.
The Costco staple trip.
That's the one. So first and foremost, is the paper towels. My brother actually just got a Costco membership specifically for the paper towels. How much is this huge thing?
18?
I was gonna say like 16.
Okay, somewhere between $15 and $20.
They're the best paper towels I've ever used. You can do the half size or full size, but the half size is like a great size. Look at you find there. We do our paper towels and toilet paper. We do our paper towels and toilet paper from Costco, so I just wanted to share that. We didn't need toilet paper this trip, but I think I've shown you in a video, but we have like a whole cabinet dedicated to backup paper towels and toilet paper.
It's easy there.
I should definitely shut the door. That feels nice.
That was entertaining while you were gone.
What did you do?
You'll never know.
I mean, I'll know when I'm editing. We also bought a lime tree today, which I'm really excited about. That's obviously not a staple, but Costco plants are incredible. I got my lemon tree for 22 bucks.
Are we not gonna show that, or are we?
I'll show it.
Okay.
I'll insert B-roll.
Cool.
But I got my lemon tree. I got my lemon tree there for like 23 bucks. Got the lime tree for 23 bucks. We got a fiddly fig tree for also $22, which I was at my favorite nursery the other day and they're literally $90 and up, so.
And you told me, if there's ever a lime tree at Costco, I'm getting it. And we saw it there today, and I was just like, we don't need that. Our balcony is full. And
but at the same time, you love that we can go and pick a lemon.
Yes, but also the fact that you laid out that scenario, and it happened today, and I said, I can't fight it.
Happy wife, happy life.
It's also $20.
Yeah. Okay, so then we only get usually a couple produce items from Costco, what we like eat a lot of. Actually, I'm eating so many strawberries right now that I got 2 packs of strawberries. They're just so good. And I will get raspberries from there as well because it's usually a better deal than Trader Joe's, and I eat a lot of raspberries when I am in the mood for them. But right now I've just been eating strawberries every morning with my 2-ingredient dough bagel and my eggs.
But these are the best strawberries I've ever had.
They're so good, and especially right now. It's not even summer, but they're so good. So we'll get strawberries or raspberries, but then the only vegetable we usually get is mushrooms. These are the organic baby bellas. We love mushrooms. I add them to everything, to chicken, to eggs, pasta. It's my favorite vegetable.
Costco, the thing about it is just, it's going to be buying in bulk. So,
yeah, so
what you get, you're going to get a lot of, so buy something you know you're going to eat a lot of.
Which I think I said, it's just the 2 of us for right now. When we have a family, we could probably buy more, like bananas and crap from there, but probably the best Costco deal, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Is the eggs. So this is 24 eggs, it's 2 cartons, pretty much. Well, I guess. Right?
Yeah.
For today it was under $4. The price varies usually, but it's never over $6, and even $6 for all these eggs is an incredible deal. But also we've been going through eggs like a bitch because I've been eating them every morning.
You're saying words that I'm like, you're gonna say like a bit, but like it's your YouTube video, you won't, and then you actually said it.
Oh, they're used to me.
Okay.
They know the real me, babe. Bradley's sister took like she was going to veterinarian school and she took a whole class on chickens, and she told us there's no difference between white and brown eggs, so I trust her because she like went to school for it.
I'm sure these comments below are gonna fill.
Well, I'm interested to hear. I'm interested to know. But they do have brown eggs. It's a little more expensive, but these are cage free, which is important to me. Happy chickens.
Great.
But yeah, so you want to hold up the chicken? We do buy, I hate showing raw meat on film, I'm so sorry, but we do buy our chicken.
Look at this slimy chicken.
Stop!
Don't just want to eat it up.
So here's the chicken.
This is what we buy the most of.
Yeah, you get 6 packs, and there's 2 huge chicken breasts in there, so we slice them down the middle, so it's pretty much 4 chicken breasts per pack. Don't mind me. I
should wash my hands now.
I'll just wait.
Let me just use some Costco paper towels.
So it's 4 chicken breasts per pack, and how much was that? Like 22 bucks?
Yeah.
They come in all different prices, but we look for 22 bucks because it's usually like the right amount of chicken per pack for the 2 of us. And then our favorite freezer item. You guys, these are my freaking favorite thing. The El Monterey Mexican grilled chicken and cheese taquitos. These are a staple at the Sattler house. Well, I guess this is the Sattler house too now, but
Well, the Sattler
Bradley's
too.
parents' house. Like, what my favorite thing is to go there on an afternoon, have some taquitos and a can of Coke, but no more Coke. But after the wedding, we bought these as like a, hey, the wedding's over treat. But it turns out they're actually somewhat Weight Watchers friendly. You can have 3 of these for 11 points, which is kind of a hefty lunch, but it's doable if, you know, you're really in the mood for taquitos. So I will have 3 of these and a whole bunch of raspberries, and it's like my favorite lunch. But you like these too?
Yeah.
We love them.
I love them. You think they're the best taquitos you've ever had.
I really do.
I mean, there's much better taquitos in life, but...
Especially, I leave them in a little longer than they say, because I
what you
like them
want.
really crisp. Oh,
Yeah.
they're so good. We buy trash bags from Costco as well, but we don't have the box to show you because we had a leak under our sink and it got soiled.
Yeah, about that.
But it's the greatest deal. However, we did get the new Simple Human trash can, and I might look into getting their trash bags.
But it's the trash bags at Costco are so cheap.
so affordable.
It's like $8 for 300 bags or
And
something insane.
lasted us like an entire year.
Yeah.
Like, it's amazing. So check those out. But I think that's pretty much it. Like,
Did we buy anything? I'm trying to think of other stuff we buy there.
I mean, we'll buy snacks occasionally.
I buy vodka there.
Oh, yeah.
We got cheap vodka.
And you like the beer there too.
I buy the Kirkland beer there.
Yes. Sometimes they have like the Boom Chicka Pop bags for really big, but it's kind of like more than I can eat, so I don't really buy them. But we'll try random things from time to time. I got a lot of oatmeal for $10. That was a good deal.
Yeah, we've like tried different things.
Yeah, but as far as like our like every other week Costco trip, you think we go every other week?
Yes, maybe every 3 weeks.
This is what we pick up. These are our staples. So I just wanted to share. I love watching other people's Costco favorites because there's just so much, and I know things interchange a lot, but I think everything we mentioned is always there. So yeah.
And I had a hot dog today after. Damn good hot dogs and churros.
And Bradley goes and gets a hot dog, a piece of pizza, and a churro.
It was $4.
And he's so skinny.
Yes, I do.
But okay, guys, that is it. If you want more grocery hauls, they're mostly Trader Joe's. I will link it up in the corner. I'll link it right up here.
Okay.
But yeah, we mostly shop at Trader Joe's. I have a Trader Joe's favorites video as well. I'll link that down below, and then I'll give it a minute and then link it up in the corner as well. You can't do them back to back.
Oh.
But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions...
I'm burping up my hot dog.
Oh my god.
Ugh.
If you have any questions, I don't know why you would, but leave
Call
them
your
down
nearest
below.
Costco and...
Or no, tell us your favorite Costco item down below
Ooh.
so we could try them. I love Costco. It always makes me
I got
so
my eye
happy.
exam at Costco. I'm like thinking of other things. Like they've got
What
everything.
things?
Somebody told us to look up car insurance there. They've got it all. They've got coffins. They've got...
Do they really?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
I've seen
how
that
morbid.
on your way out. Like,
Okay.
I
Well,
could see you wanting a big, really elaborate coffin.
No, I don't need a coffin. Just burn me alive. No. I didn't mean alive.
You said it.
Never do that. But on that note, we'll leave you. Thank you so much for watching. We love you. We'll see you soon. Got a lot of fun like lifestyle videos coming up. So subscribe, click the bell to be notified. We love you. Bradley, tell them how you feel.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Bye.